Hi there and welcome to my kitchen. Today we're making something super simple, quick and absolutely delicious. Egg and green onion salad with mayonnaise. Let's get started. For this recipe you will need just a few basic ingredients. A handful of green onions, 2 hard-boiled eggs, about 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, and of course salt and pepper to taste. The first step is to finely chop the boiled eggs. I'm using a mini food processor to make this quick and easy. Once they are chopped, transfer the eggs into a bowl. Add a pinch of salt and some freshly ground pepper, just the way you like it. I always start with 1 heaping tablespoon of mayonnaise and mix it in. It's better to add more later if needed, so you don't end up with a salad that's too heavy. Mix everything together until it's well combined. The texture should be creamy but still slightly chunky. If you feel it's not creamy enough, like I did, you can add another half tablespoon of mayonnaise and mix again. Now it's perfect. Next, it's time for the green onions. Chop them into thin slices and add them to the bowl. Give everything a good mix to make sure all the flavors blend together. Green onions are optional, so if you are not a fan, feel free to skip them or adjust the amount to suit your taste. And there you have it, our egg and green onion salad with mayonnaise is ready to serve. It's perfect as a spread on toast or as a side with fresh veggies. I hope you enjoyed this simple recipe. If you try it out, let me know in the comments how it turned out. And don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more quick and tasty recipes. See you next time and happy cooking!